Imagine owning your own slice of Florida paradise. This 1.20-acre lot on Mulberry Drive in Compass Lake Hills is your chance to secure affordable land in a peaceful, growing community. High and dry at 270 feet elevation, with no flood risk and a flat buildable layout. This property is ready for your vision. You have full flexibility here. Build a custom home, manufactured home, or mobile home. Camping is also allowed, so you can enjoy the land right away. Power is nearby, and only a well and septic are needed. Picture your future home surrounded by open space, privacy, and Florida nature, designed exactly the way you want it. You're also just minutes from Compass Lake, boating, fishing, hiking trails, and outdoor recreation. And when you're ready for the coast, Panama City's white sand beaches are less than an hour away. Inside Compass Lake Hills, enjoy resort-style amenities including a pool, clubhouse, tennis courts, boat ramps, kayaking, and disc golf. All of this for just $16,500 cash or $355 a month. No credit check. Call 813-735-476 or visit www.gatewaylandinvestments.com to learn more. Opportunities like this don't last. Secure your Florida land today.